Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays wherever you are watching this video from. Today we are going to do a really super cute Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. For this design you're going to need 2 light brown 260s, 1 dark brown 260, 1 red round, or you can just use a red scrap. So take your light brown and inflate it with about 4 fingers worth space at the end. Make sure you've got a nice bit of wiggle room, give it a good squidge, then get your white 260 and inflate it about 2 hands worth in size. Now you can actually inflate this slightly less if you want to. I'll explain why in a minute. Now tie these two together at the top, and then with the light brown you're going to fold it back into a petal for one of the ears at the top, and do the same the other side, and they're going to be the 2 cute little ears at the top. Now just to hold it in place you're going to want to twist a bubble and then turn that into a pinch twist, and then that will hold the ears in place really nicely at the top and stop them flapping about all over the place. Now measure down where you want to have your face, that's where your eyes are going to be. Now twist these two together. Now what you can actually do with this is you can fold the white balloon back up to the top where the ears are and where the knot is, and you can have 2 eyes with the white balloon there, but I'm going to go with the one and I'll explain why in a bit, but you can definitely do 2. Now with the light brown balloon, you're going to want to fold back in slightly smaller petals. These are going to be for the cheeks of the reindeer. Super cute. And then I just adjust as I go, otherwise it annoys me. Measure a bubble size and then turn that into a pinch twist, and that just holds the cheeks in place really well there. Now I suddenly discovered that the rest of my white balloon was slowly deflating, so I quickly pinched that one in, took the excess out and tied that knot in to save the rest of the white balloon. But if you wanted to, you can just fold that white balloon back up into the ears and turn that into 2 eyeballs either side rather than just the one. Now once you've tidied that up, you need to twist a little bubble right at the end of the rest of the brown balloon and then fold it back. This is going to be the nose or the muzzle? The nose. You're going to fold this back. It's going to be the whole mouth face bit of the reindeer. I'm going to have to Google that one. And then you need to twist that back into where the cheeks are, and that will hold that into place. Now for the antlers. Take your dark brown, or it could be a black one. They don't have to be inflated too much. Just leave about 2 hands worth of space at the end there. Make sure that they are nice and squidgy. Now from the top, twist a 4-finger bubble and then a pinch twist bubble. Then you want a petal just to the side, and that's going to be one of the sides of the antlers. Measure down about 2, maybe 1.5 hands worth, and then twist it into the reindeer's ears. You want to try and measure and get roughly the same amount of size both sides. So you've got the twist there, you've got the petal, you're going to do the same as the other side, and then you're going to do the pinch twist before you have the final end. You can measure the top bit, get rid of the excess, and just tie a knot so that they're both the same size. And there you have your antlers. Now it wouldn't be Rudolph without that brilliant red nose. So pick up your red round, or if you've just got a scrap, we're going to inflate that, and we're going to bring the inflation down just so that it's the right size for an amazing nose. Tie that in. If you can tie it right towards the end, that's brilliant, and then pull it down and pull it right at the front so that it holds it in place, and then adjust everything round so that you've got your amazing Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer face. Now this is where you can either put a twisted or just one 260 or a big one on its own, and it could be a hobby horse as I'm trying to demonstrate with my hand, or you can put a body on. Now I'm going to show you how to put a body on here. Inflate your other light brown 260 and just twist that knot into the cheeks of the face, and you're going to measure down for a neck, and you're going to measure some legs as well. I always like it if it's got the twist at the bottom there to really give it definition. Now twist where you want the end of the body to be, and then twist roughly the same size legs for the back legs, leaving just a short little tail. If you've got a nice little bit at the end, that looks quite cute as well, and poke it through just to lock it into place. Now for the finishing touches. Grab your Sharpie or your permanent marker, and however you do your eyes, do 2 eyes there. If you've obviously got the 2 bits of white, you can do 1 eye on either side. Do your cute little eyes, raise those eyebrows, and voila, you have your amazing Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer ready to pull that sleigh for Santa. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section down below what you want me to make next, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!